Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from Sahim Tech, and in this video I'll be sharing you how to convert a Word document into a PDF document. Now over here you can see I have a Microsoft Word document here. It's just a random document I got from the template list, which is an introduction to Microsoft Word. So now let's see how to convert this document to PDF and then turn that PDF document back to Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So first up, just open up the Word document, which I'm going to do again. So I'm opening up the Word document and then head over to File, Save As, select any file location wherever you want to save. Click on the Save As type and the drop down menu, and then hunt for PDF. Now here you can see there are a lot of Word document templates. We just have to select PDF. That's the Save As type. Select that and then just rename it like to anything you want. I'm just gonna put PDF and then hit save. And then once you're done, just wait, and then it'll open up the document automatically in PDF. Just close it, minimize, and if you open up PDF, you can see it has opened up the PDF document and it has opened up. So now we have turned a Microsoft Word document to a portable document format. So this is the PDF document. Now let's see how to convert a PDF document back to a Microsoft Word document. So let me close this whole thing, don't save. And now this is my PDF document. I'm going to right click on it and then here click on Open With. Then click on Choose Another App. Then a dialog box will appear where you'll just have to click on More Apps. Scroll down until you find Word. Here I can see my Microsoft Word is right here. Select it and then click on OK. Once you're done, it'll start opening up the document in Microsoft Word. Just wait for it, but it'll take a while because it's converting a PDF document to a Word document, so it has to get all the text, images, and make it editable so you can edit it in Microsoft Word. Just like it says here, it says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF. So it will make it easy for you to edit the text. So just click on OK and then wait again. And then you can see it has opened up that PDF document. Now here you can still edit the PDF by entering, additional text like that. You can type more things here. It's all just like a normal Word document. You can even decrease and increase the size of the, Word document. So it's really cool. So guys, that's the end of this video. We've seen now how to turn a Word document to a PDF document and a PDF document back to a Word document. Now if you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can put them down in the comment section below, or you can even fill out the form which I've made, which is the Sahim Tech Query and Suggestion form. And you can contact me using the email ID msahim70@gmail.com. So guys, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.